Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me, Ihsan, in Ihsan language. Okay, guys, on this lesson, we're gonna have to learn about teaching reading skill, vocabulary guess, based on context. It's pretty stressful. So, first of all, let me describe this text to you. This is what question type gets vocabulary based on context will look like on the test page. You will see the word carbon tetrachloride. So, what is the similar meaning or the synonym of the carbon tetrachloride based on the context? You have to guess. The step to solve this question type: first, compare meaning of word in question and in the answer option. And then the second, look at word in the passage and read that sentence. Number third, try each answer option and eliminate incorrect options. Fourth, choose the best answer. Look like the example. Carbon tetrachloride, a chemical compound created when carbon disulfide is treated with chlorine. It's a colorless and inflammable liquid that is used extensively in industry today. This brute use carbon tetrachloride in industry is because of its efficiency as a sulfur, a refrigerant, and a propellant. So from the first paragraph on the passage, we have to underline the word carbon tetrachloride and the question, what is carbon tetrachloride, in paragraph 1. So carbon tetrachloride in paragraph 1 is a chemical compound created when carbon disulfide is treated with chlorine. So in a simple way, we have to compare the answer on the answer option with the word in the passage. Answer option says that carbon tetrachloride, a mixture of carbon disulfide and chlorine. And then the second, or the option B, a compound of carbon and chlorine. Compound of carbon and chlorine. C, a treatment for carbon disulfide poisoning. D, the result when chlorine is removed from a chemical compound. We have to remember the step. First, compare meaning from the passage to the answer option. So you have to compare the same meaning. And then the second, you locate the word in the passage and then read the sentence after or before. You have to read the sentence based on the context, so you know the context meaning. Carbon tetrachloride is a chemical compound created when carbon disulfide is treated with chlorine. So it's compound carbon and chlorine mixture. So we have to look at the answer option. A mixture of carbon disulfide and chlorine. B, a compound of carbon and chlorine. C, a treatment for carbon and disulfide poisoning. Or D, the result when chlorine is removed from a chemical compound. So try to eliminate the wrong option. The A, compound of carbon and chlorine, maybe yes, because they're a chemical compound created when carbon disulfide is treated with chlorine. B, treatment for carbon disulfide poisoning, I think no, we can eliminate it. A mixture of carbon disulfide and chlorine, yes, they're a chemical created from carbon and chlorine, maybe yes. And D, the result when chlorine is removed from a chemical compound, I think no. The next, choose the correct answer. So based on the context, that you know that carbon tetrachloride is a combination between carbon and chlorine from the chemical reaction. So the best answer is a mixture of carbon disulfide with the chlorine. So the answer is a mixture of carbon disulfide and chlorine. That's it. Okay, that's a tip to answer this kind of question. Read for the sentence tuned. So it can be inferred that the sentence is positive or negative, like up and down, and etc. Like carbon tetrachloride, a chemical compound created when carbon disulfide is treated with chlorine. It's just kind of definition: compound, carbon, chlorine, mixture, chemical reaction. So it's mixture. Okay, guys, that's what we learned today from catch vocabulary from its context. So you have to be carefully to answer this kind of question. So first, you have to know the word in the question, know the word in the answer option, and then combine with the word meaning on the passage that is based on the context. Bye bye.